I picked up the Tocmoc vacuum cleaner T230 model. It's a stick type vacuum cleaner, cordless. Picked it up for about 95 bucks off of Amazon. I guess it's comparable in design to, you know, other stick vacuums, but figured would try it out for under 100 bucks. And I have other broom type vacuum cleaners, and they're just wearing out, so we figured we'd try this one. We have 3 kids, and this basically will get industrial use, so we're really going to test it out. Comes with a bracket for onboard tool storage, a brush, crevice tool, an extension pole. It has a little brush and cleaning tool, which will be nice for removing the hair, anchors, the head unit, the adapter, and then the beater bar, the brush. The power head has little fine brushes in it, and it looks like it's real flexible. It doesn't look like it locks in place though. Underneath it looks like it has little rollers and little felt that'll go. Looks like it'll work really nice for hardwood floors and just hard surface floors. The power head has like a quick release for the dirt. You just press this button right here, and that pops open, and you can basically just hold it over the garbage and press that button. The only thing I don't like is this thing seems a little thin. I don't know, maybe the kids will eventually break that off, but I think it would be useless. But it just clips together, and you just press that button. There's like a filter. You can press that button and it comes out. I'll probably have to buy some extra filters. You know, some of this stuff they discontinue after making it a year or something like that, so I probably would recommend getting some extra parts right away for it, unless it's a standard size for something. So it looks like when you pop the canister open that you can pull out this middle piece if you get bigger debris in there, and then you can wash it all off, it looks like, which is pretty nice. So if stuff gets stuck in there and, you know, that sort of thing, you can get it all cleaned out. It goes right back in, push it, closed. Just pop it to open. Obviously you would open it over the garbage, but looks like the head rotates nicely when you turn it, so you can get around corners and stuff like that. So that'll be nice. Like I said, it doesn't lock in place, but it does rotate nice. Yeah. Alright, here's the batteries in. Here's the power button. It's actually not too loud. It's picking up dirt pretty good. Got all kinds of crazy dirt to pick up for the kids. Stuff like this, we'll see if it does anything. It's like a little twisty, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's what I figured. It's just gonna get jammed up. But kids will vacuum stuff up, and stuff will get vacuumed by accident, so we gotta test it out to its full potential. We get Finny. Actually pretty, like I said, it's pretty quiet. That's beep beep. So far so good for hard surfaces, obviously, but it's way better than those other ones we had. Those would leave a ton of stuff behind, so all this stuff is cranking underneath stuff. everywhere I did vacuum, it got all the crumbs. So there's lots of crumbs laying around. I'm gonna try it on this carpet here, see how it does. I know there's a lot of crap on this carpet from the kids walking in, so it's all got gravel and stuff. This thing will be making a lot of noise. All right, here we go. See what it does when we jam it up. It shuts down on its own. And then hopefully that looks like it's blinking, like it told me that something's wrong. So at least it's got some sort of fail-safe. Oh, right back at it. Yeah, it's vacuuming up pieces of gravel and stuff like that, so that's pretty good. I mean, obviously the other vacuums leave the gravel because it's heavier. It gets pretty close to the edges. Like I'm getting right up at that if there's enough suction power to get right at the edges. So if you just push it off the rug and don't back into it, shouldn't have any problem with it winding the rug up. But so far so good. The big question will be how long will the battery last. It also has 2 speeds, so I've been using it on the low speed. But then you press this button and it cranks it up to high speed, which I don't think I'd ever need. Here's a crusty floor mat. It's probably like a low nap carpet, or maybe up to medium. Let's see how that goes. Maybe a Finley, maybe. Well, so far so good. Beep beep. Beep beep. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Uh-oh. Looks like I backed up a glove, so that stopped it. So we'll pull that out and hopefully it starts back up. All right, the mitten is out. Back to normal. So at least it has fail-safe stuff where it shuts down rather than burn up the motor or run the battery down immediately. It's still, it's on. I kicked it in at 4. I charged it to 4, so it's down to 3 with about 5 minutes of use. So that's pretty good. I figured just using it here and there. So I'm going to try the feature of just the head itself. So we got some gravel here. Seems to be pretty good. It's pretty powerful. Let's see if I can get stuff out of the crack between the tile there. That's not stuff that's not jammed in there. I'm gonna try all this stuff here. Yeah, the heavier rocks, it kind of leaves them behind. The smaller ones it gets for sure. Like I said, it's going to get some industrial usage. Yeah. Well, this will be the first initial dump of the garbage.
kinds of nastiness in there.
Here's a filter, or not the, yeah, I guess it's the pre-filter. It's just dusty, so I'm just going to put it back in dusty.
How about this? How about a hair tie? Let's try that one. It vacuumed up the hair tie. We'll have to see if it makes it into the canister. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, we got another challenging spot, a boot mat. It's got all kinds of gravel on it. It's contoured. We'll see. Beep, beep, Penny. Fantastic so far. This is pretty comparable to my corded vacuum, so unless my corded vacuum isn't that great, but this thing seems to be pretty good for cordless. Other than vacuuming up the bracelet from underneath the ottoman, it's pretty good.
It actually, you can see that hair tie is in there. It made it all the way up the wand into the canister. I'm pretty impressed. I didn't think that I figured I'd have to dig that out of the pipe or something. So I'm pretty impressed. Final mounting place in the foyer closet. And it just hooks. And you can see it holds the tools on there. They give you the anchors to mount it and everything. So easy, all set.